Good day, my name is Carlos Andres Bolivar. Here is my presentation about San Andres. San Andres, a beautiful Colombian island located in the Caribbean Sea, offers a mix of aesthetic natural landscapes, water activities, and cultural experience. What to do in San Andres? Beach relations. Spend your days relaxing on the beach, soaking up the sun, swimming in the refreshing ocean, snorkeling, diving, and scenic boat tours. Snorkeling and diving are must-do activities. Hoyo soplador, a natural blowhole where water waits forcefully blown into the air to wave pressure. Visit Johnny K. Travel tips. You must carry some protection. You have to respect coral reef. You must not refer to stay hydrated. You don't have to forget insect repellent. Superstition. If you open an assembly indoors, you attract bad luck. If you leave your wallet on the floor, you will draw bad luck and poverty. When to go? From December to April is considered the season and the best time to visit San Andres. The weather is sunny and dry with warm temperatures and low chance of rain. The sea is calm, making it an ideal time for water activities such as snorkeling, diving, and water sport. Where to stay? Zona Norte. This area is known for its beautiful beach, clean water, and lively atmospheres. Spratbag. This is the main beach area in San Andres. Food. Here are some of the best food and drinks to try in San Andres. Rondon fish, meatballs, crab soup, snake salad, crab patty, piña colada. Transportation. Here are some of the means of transportation in San Andres. Moped and golf cars. Public buses. Water transportation. taxes. The official currency of San Andres, Colombia is the Colombian peso. The official language of San Andres, Colombia is Spanish. Tipping is acceptable and regarded as an act of appreciation for excellent service. Thank you so much.